Good day, doodlers. Welcome to Draw Cartoons. If you want to learn how to draw the fast and easy way, this is the place to be. I hope you're in the festive mood today. We're going to be learning how to draw the perennial emblem of Christmas known as mistletoe in just 2 minutes. That's right, 2 minutes, and you'll have a completed sketch of mistletoe. As always, you're going to need a pencil, paper, an eraser, and a Sharpie to go over your sketch with. Let's go. Let's get started. But first, if you want to learn to draw the fast and easy way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Let's begin. Okay, so start more or less in the center of your page and just draw a line that curves out into, well, as many stalks as you want. I'm going to draw one going up that way, then one going up this way. Maybe I'm going to split that one off into two. So we're just basically drawing a sprig of mistletoe. This is the stem here, and it's splitting off into 3 little lines. I mean, really, you could add more down here if you really want to, but I'm going to stick with these 3. And at the end of each one, it's going to be a small berry. So we just draw a small circle at the end of each one like this. It'll look more interesting if you have them overlap just a little bit like that. Maybe have another one just kind of sticking off to the side over here. And like I said, you can add more branches if you want. You can add, another one there. I'm going to leave mine at 3 though. And then off each stem, we're going to draw that kind of characteristic teardrop leaf just kind of hanging off the stem like this. Okay, make it nice and thin as it connects to the stem and quite wide at the end. I'm going to draw another one down here, just kind of hanging off this stem. So really kind of get that curvy shape. Go kind of wild with it. Maybe some are a little bit bigger than others, but you might want to keep it generally pretty consistent all the way through. I'm going to draw another one just kind of hanging out the back here behind these 2 berries. Just there. And maybe one more just kind of dangling off behind this berry here. And there we go. You can actually add a small dot at the end of each of these berries as well, so it actually looks a bit more realistic. And don't forget to thicken out your stem a little bit because it's looking a bit too thin. So I'm just going to basically follow the shapes that I've already drawn loosely with my pencil. Just going to kind of thicken out those stems so they're not just flat lines. Okay, and there you go. You've got a drawing of mistletoe already. So that was only 1.5 minutes really. So yeah, grab your Sharpie and go carefully over all the lines here. Try not to overlap too much on the stem there, and you'll end up with your very own drawing of cartoon mistletoe ready to colour in for Christmas. And there you go, throw in some green and a touch of yellowy white for those berries maybe, and you've got yourself a lovely cartoon piece of mistletoe. Maybe next time you'd like a kiss from a special someone, you could draw a piece of mistletoe and hang that over your head instead of the real thing. See how that works out for you. By the way, I'd love to see all of your drawings over on the Draw Cartoons Discord. You can share any artwork that you've done, tips and video ideas whenever you want, and absolutely everyone is welcome. Just scroll down, hit the Discord link, and if you need to, make a Discord account. They're free and quick to make. And that's it. Welcome to the Discord Doodlers. Thanks for watching. Make sure you drop me a like and subscribe if you want to keep learning to draw the fast and easy way. Until next time.